Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Franklin Marshall with Festa Coffee, and I'm so excited to be here today. We're going to do a pizza crepe, just a straight cheese pizza crepe with marinara on it. And so we've oiled our crepe machine. I keep the water over here so that I can keep my crepe tool all together and clean. So here we go. We're going to put the pizza batter on, and this is going to be our marinara plain pizza and cheese crepe. So here we go. The batter looks real nice and smooth. It's coming out. It's looking good. So we're going to be folding this, and as I always say, we want to keep the pizza crepes on a little longer so we can allow it to get a little crisp, because people enjoy the crispiness of pizza. Nice thing about the pizza crepes is they are quick and easy, and they're tasty. And let's see, we have it looking good on this side, nice and brown and toasty, and it's going to be delicious. So we'll let it cook a little bit on this side, and then we'll flip it back over. Here we go here, and so I will get this all set up. We don't want to put too much or too little in, enough so that you can taste that sauce, because that's what pizza is all about. It's about the sauce that's in it, and the batter and the cheese and the crispiness, and so we want that sauce to taste good, and for people to, when they're eating it, they can enjoy that taste of pizza, because pizza is not pizza without that nice stretchy cheese and either the pesto or the pepperoni or whatever the case may be. And in this, we don't want to get it too thick with cheese. We want to make sure that it stays light enough so that it will fold and look nice after we fold it. So we'll leave it here for a little bit and let it crisp a little more on the bottom, but we don't want to crisp it too much that we can't fold it. So here we go. We're gonna go with our fold, and so it's looking really good. So we'll fold it again, but we'll leave it on a little bit after this, just so that we can make sure that we get that nice crispiness to it. So here we go. We'll leave it on a little bit. As you can hear, it's nice and crisp. And here is our cheese pizza crepe.